Okay, so welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to shift an Iveco. This is an Iveco truck, an Iveco Euro Cargo. Yeah, so it's 6-speed, like you can see on the gear lever. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then the reverse here. Yeah, so I'll be showing you a step to step on how you can shift a 6-speed. So just a quick one. That's gear 1. Sorry. That's gear 2. That's gear 3. Gear 4. 5. And 6. That's gear 6. So those are the gear positions, just like the report. So we'll start, we'll be moving. So that's gear 1. So we'll start going. Gear 2. Showing you Nico. So in Kalumbira district, one of the remote areas. So we're in second gear right now. That's gear 3. Unakisha kunina amini ni kukweshi maonda yendesha. So we're in third gear, gear 3. Gear 3, so that was gear 3. Now engage to gear 4. That's gear 4. Sorry, the road is bumpy. So that's gear 4. That's gear 4. I'll put gear 5. That's gear 5. I'm in gear 5 right now. So I'll engage gear 6. So that's gear 6. That is how you shift a 6-speed manual. So that's a 6-speed manual. It will be the same for most vehicles, most trucks. It will be the same. Yeah, let's talk of Scania, Iveco. So pretending that is a change down. That's gear 5, gear 4, and then gear 3. That was a 10. So that's gear 3. Now engage gear 4. That's gear 4. That's gear 5. That's gear 6. Okay, so that was gear 6. So that is our dashboard, like you can see. That's our road. So that's our ref counter. I'm in gear 6. 6 right now. I'll change down to gear 5. That's gear 5. Gear 4. That's gear 4. Gear 5. So I'm making a stop. Okay, so I finally come to a stop. So like I was showing you, those are the gear positions. So when I say gear 1, it's always 1 step to my right, 1 step to my left, sorry, then up. 1 step to my left, then up. So that was gear 1. Then gear 2 is straight from gear 1. That's gear 2. That one there. So that's gear 2. Then gear 3, you just push it, it comes to the neutral position. Like labeled here, it's in the neutral position, you just push it forward. That's gear 3. Then gear 4 is straight from gear 3. Then gear 5, you just push it, comes back to the neutral. 1 step to my right, then forward. That's gear 5. Then gear 6 is straight from 5 into gear 6. So that is how you shift a 6-speed vehicle, 6-speed truck. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.